So let us begin. Again, I'm still in GA buys and AU buys. One trade that I did end up getting into is Usdchf, right? So I just wanted to quickly go over that. And it's funny because I literally said, "Oh, there's a double bottom. You can't sell this pair." Just for then to me, just for me to then sell that like 2 days later after I wrote that note. But so this is the double bottom I was seeing here. you know, came down, rejected, came down, rejected again. All this was doing was going to fulfill a technical level on the 50% level. But, we had the same thing that happened here. And I was so weary here about taking sells, but I don't know. I will say this could be a little bit too close to weekly support, but at the same time, I got exactly what I needed on my smaller time frames. Smaller as in just daily, right? So if I take this point A and then drag it down to this point B, we have created, you have a bearish candle on that 50. Cool. Then you have a nice evening star or whatever, this right here. Bullish, doji, bearish. Like, that's important. That's important for me to see. And then the liquidity level is seen on the weekly time frame right here. Actually, gonna highlight that. And let's move it up a little bit so it can align with that golden zone fib. And then boom, this is the trade. Um, Again, trades are just probabilities. I don't know how I like feel about it, but I still took it on two accounts because I was like, well, we'll just see how this plays out. The monthly and the weekly have been very bearish ever since here, and I was selling up here because it was fresh. It was a fresh. Come on now. Don't be a doo-doo. Okay. One leg, retracement, another leg. So this was a straight up double top. And then it had the break to finish it off. And I was like, oh, 100%. Like this is my trade. And from there it never really stopped. But we can't assume that it's gonna go back bullish when everything's still absolutely bearish. So this is the most updated trade that I'm in right now. And it's just a 1 to 6 if I really get fearless with it. Let's see. Let's see what the negative 27% level is. Oh my God. Okay, is my mouse dying? Like whatever. Negative 27%, somewhere below there. I guess the first take profit would be this level because it's the last low. And then that would okay, I'm not dragging shit anymore. But anyhow, these are my three trades that I'm currently in. Got some GJ buys. And at the same time, it's kind of weird because I have AU on both sides. It's like, shouldn't I be like selling one and buying the other? But that's not really like, you know how I feel about this monthly break and retest. And then for the daily to be showing me what it's showing me. We have one bullish rejection. And then, oh, hold on, let me just drag this across real quick, right? The daily rejected this level before, and again, came down, said no thank you, and now it's maintaining these highs above this level again. We could see how definitely just still waiting to see. I think the ultimate sign of release would just be the break of this trend line, but I'm not a breakout trader, so let's not do that. But yeah, we'll see how the next few days and weeks play out. All right, happy trading, y'all.